In this video, we discuss about the Indian Standard Time. Does India need the two time zones? What are the problems faced if we follow the time zones in our India? Ancient time, people used to follow their own local time. That means in Mumbai, if it is 12 noon, in Bhopal at the same time it might be the 12:10. But with the advent of the railways, to keep up the time schedule, people fail to know the exact time. First time in India, the Britisher John Golden Gum in 1802, he set that MST, that is the Madras Standard Time. Later in Kolkata, they set the KST, Kolkata Standard Time. In later times, again in Bombay, they set the time as Bombay Standard Time. But in 1884, to coordinate between the different countries, scientists came together to select and to decided one standard time, that is the GMT. GMT, now called as UTC, Universal Coordinated Time. It is maintained by the Bureau of Weights and Measures, which is in France. So, in our India, the Indian time is maintained by the Time and Frequency Laboratory of India, which is maintained by the CSIR, that is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. So all the Indian people, they come to know the exact time and correct accurate time by All India Radio and the Doordarshan. So before entering in Indian times zones, we see how different countries follow different time zones. So in France, the people follow the 12 time zones. In Russia, people follow the 11 time zones. Indonesia, the archipelago is following 3 time zones, and America is following the time zone, 5 time zones. The extent of India here is 68 degrees 7 minutes in the east to the 97 degrees 27 minutes in the west. The longitudinal difference between these two from the east to the west is 30 longitudinal difference is there, and the time difference is 2 hours. People are thinking that it is a need to follow the 2 time zones. So normally the sun rises in the Gujarat is at 6 a.m. At the same time, the sun rising in the Arunachal Pradesh is the 4 a.m. The sun setting is at Gujarat is at 6:30 p.m. whereas the sun setting in Arunachal Pradesh is the 4:30 p.m. The problem arises here is the daylight saving. Whole India is following the same working hours, that is the 10 to 6 p.m. Arunachal Pradesh and Assam people are wasting 6 hours of morning daylight time. Evening, because the early sunset, they are consuming the electricity a lot. It is said that nearly 20 million kilowatt of energy is consumed by these people. They are also facing the health issues like obesity and high pressures, and some more health issues are played. Some more health issues they are facing, because after the working hours they are not going to the playgrounds and gyms centers. So to solve the problem, Ministry of Scientific and Technology, they formed a committee to need a 2 time zones in our India. But in 2004, the committee rejected the formation of 2 time zones in India. So later in 2007, approximately at 89 degrees longitude, they decided to form a one more IST, that is Indian Standard Time, which is 1 hour ahead of Indian Standard Time, that is UTC plus 6.5 hours. So it falls near Siliguri in West Bengal at 89 degrees centigrade. This Siliguri is one of the part of West Bengal in this region. This is also called Siliguri corridor or chicken neck corridor. In 2007, this incident happened in our India. In 2011, Cabinet Minister Kiran Rijiju raised a problem of one time zone, but later many issues. The people of Assam are following the Chai Bagan time. It is also called tea garden time, 1 hour ahead for the IST. To follow this Chai Bagan time, we can save the energy, we can save the daylight,